Hello guys, again we are back with a new product, and this is a portable coffee maker hand espresso. Let's open it, and inside we have the unit. Included we've got some manual. Clean the machine, add hot water, assemble the water container, add the coffee, assemble the machine and press the button and your coffee is ready. So easy and very convenient. Okay, let's see what we have. This is the water container, and this is the spoon for putting your coffee. This is the lid that you're going to drink the coffee. The filter. That is going out the coffee when you are making. Here is the coffee. You are going to insert the coffee here. You can see we've got some rubber right here and here. And here is the compression mechanism that you can unlock and pump it just like that and making your coffee. Oh, that's nice. Let's move on for testing to see how it works. Now here we are. I do have my coffee. You need to unscrew that and put your coffee inside. Just fill it as much as you can. And you can push it with this. And I'm boiling my water now to be ready. That's nice. And then you can screw it again. Now put that here. Install that tight. Nice. Now we can put here the water. Okay, it's nice. And you need to stir it very good. Don't forget it has some rubber here, as you can see. Here's the rubber. Okay, nice. And from the other side, you need to release this button. And here we are. Just pump now, and the water, hot water, will come to the coffee. And you will see the coffee making so easy. Wow. It's funny that you can make your own espresso just like that. And when you finish the pumping, it means water is off. And here we are, we've got a lovely espresso. Cheers. Very tasty. Well, it depends on the coffee that you have in your home. I think it's doing a great job. If you need something like that into your bag, if you are traveling, if you don't want to wait into the lines for a coffee, let's say you want to go to your job and you're in a hurry, you have your coffee here, hot water, your coffee, and whenever you want, you are going to make an espresso. Into school, camping, traveling, wherever you want. I think it's a great idea. Well guys, that was all about this portable coffee maker. If you want to buy it, you can see down below to the description all about this product, where you can find more information and where you can buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know whom you need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and subscribe. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.